This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rachel Hull. Fabulous home on 0.41 acres. Wonderful amenities include split open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, large eat-in kitchen, dining room, family room, bay window and kitchen, large walk-in master bedroom closet, double sink vanity and master bath. Tile and laminate throughout except for carpeted 3 bedrooms. White appliances and kitchen cabinetry with gray kitchen countertops. White cabinetry and fixtures in master and guest bath. 2017 shingle roof, 2021 central air/heat, 2021 electric water heater and 2021 dishwasher. Ceiling fans in bedrooms and great room. Huge screened porch west/nice private backyard. Screened front porch. Fenced in backyard and side yard. 2-car garage with pull-down ladder to attic. Located on Delys Street. Call today to schedule private showing. For more information.